Is it a bite? Oh my God! What is that? What is that? Is it a bite? Look, kangaroo! Kangaroo! You're such a ninja. You're a ninja. You get together with them. You be that ninja. You get. Give me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? To the feet. With the feet. Come play with me. Hey, you. Do you want to play with me? I can play with you. Do you want to play with me? Yeah. Let's play. Woo! Woo! Hey. He's missing a bite. What are you making a beat? You seem like a chicken. You're the baby. Come on, let's go. Eep, pew. Pew. Why did you jump? Why did you jump? Why did you? You're hot. You're in the shelter. Whoa! These missing a bite. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
all have their breakfast this morning. What a big cat.
Do you want to touch? No touch. Oh, there's an army of cats. Oh. Oh. What? Tuxedo cat playing with the kitten.
No sign of our wee kitten.
Kitty. Want a kitten?
Looks like it's gonna come to you. Look.
Woohoo! Do you want to play? Come in. Catch it. Catch it. Come in. Hey, you. Do you want to play? Want to play? Do you want to? Oh, no. No? Oh, you want to play? No? Oh. See, do we kitten?
Breakfast.
Oh, he found the kitten found a wee friend.
They're all friends. What's he doing to the plate? Silly, really.
He's playing with it.
Crunching it. He's playing with it. Oh, he's playing.
She likes the plastic plate.
Other friends.
Hmm.
Oh, they're coming.
Well, there's an army of cats coming. Wanna play? Wanna play? Wanna play tuxedo? Drop. Catch. Yeet.
When we go and have our breakfast, come back to the campfire.
Okay.